body. Yeah, my mind. Yeah, my mind. I ain't got a clue, bro.
Can I be your star tonight? You fill my soul with light the day.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to Hannah's vlog. If today is your first time visiting my channel, you are welcome. I've been wondering all day, try to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Try to get by, but I'm burning. Do you have an urgent outing and you're looking for the best style to style your natural hair? This is one of the video you need to watch. I hope you enjoy this video to the end. This is me applying hair cream on my hair, then I am adding the oil also to it, so it's going to make my hair look wet a bit. Do not forget to subscribe, like and give these videos a thumbs up. So we are coming here with a force, yeah. Blessing the reap and we coursing on foot. Oh, we rise on boast. Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all coming like fun. But thank God for the journey, I divided my hair into two. So I'll be packing it in one puff and I'll be making use of an attachment to pack my hair instead of a rubber, because I realized rubber to cut my hair. You can make use of a hairband to pack it also, but I am using an attachment in this video. And send me to tell them a story. That's why blessings upon me. And that's why I'm gonna give him the job. Read from me delighted. You know some person ignited. Got the music me excited. I'm coming like a boss. Blessings all coming like fun. But I'm good for the journey. The journey to test. Girls want me, but like you, I want to know, I want to know. Shady got this kind thing with a mato, oh no, no. Not the little good things you do make me no. This distance is taking a hold of me for sure. Oh, baby, come. Oh, girl, I want make me this. I feel like making you. Oh, no. I feel like making you. Oh, baby, I know, no good. Thank you for watching, guys. If you enjoy every bit of this video, kindly click on the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Kindly drop a comment in the comment section. See you in my next video. Nothing to discuss, 'cause I'm the